I'm Jen.
And I'm Nicollette.
And
this is Jen and I will let you in our okay. Perfect timing.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Jen.
I'm Nicollette.
And we're teaming up this year to bring you Enlighten 2.0, a studio lighting and retouching workshop designed to help you evolve your imagery. Whether you've recently started working with studio lighting or you're a seasoned pro who wants to continue learning, we're covering the bases and helping you move forward on your studio photography journey.
During this 2-day in-person workshop, Jen and I will let you in on our workflow when it comes to shooting in studio. We'll cover steps for preparing clients for shoots, go-to lighting setups, posing, styling, and even our in-depth retouching that helps us create our signature looks. So Jen, what is the difference between Enlighten 1.0 and 2.0?
So Enlighten 1.0 is the beginning workshop. So I take you from knowing absolutely nothing about studio lighting, having never worked with strobes or speed lights, and teach you exactly how to use those tools to create the vision that's in your head. In Enlighten 2.0, this is a little bit more of an advanced class. So this is for someone who has already worked with studio lighting before and is looking to really level up or step up their game in studio.
So Jen, I'm really excited you brought me on to 2.0 because I absolutely love teaching the art of the, I would say, relationship between you and the subject and the client, and also having an idea and bringing that idea to life. So during this 2-day intensive workshop, Jen, why don't you go into day 1 a little bit for us?
So on day 1, we're going to take you from beginning to end on the pre-planning process all the way through to the end of the shoot. So we'll cover everything from how we find our inspiration, how we put that inspiration into mood boards, and then how we communicate with our clients using those mood boards so that we can begin to create this photo shoot, an incredible experience for our clients. Nicollette and I are both going to demo how we actually work with our clients, including how we communicate with posing, inspiration, how we even style the images.
You get to see the relationship between you and the hair and makeup artist from beginning to end, and you see the importance of the relationship. And then on day 2, it's going to be more on the post-production side. So we're going to work on culling our images from the shoot before, and we're also going to do some hands-on retouching. So not only are we going to have templates for you guys, but we'll also edit your own photos from the day before, and then we'll have some critique, which is always fun, and then we'll do some awards. Prizes. Maybe.
Maybe. Oh.
I don't even know what I've been reading. Guys, Ricky's gonna be there.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. What would we do without you? Oh my gosh. There is no Photoshop on video as far as I'm concerned.
Mm-hmm. And we're... Do we need the water?
Or we can even like move this here.
No. The water could probably go.
Okay, all right, too much.
I mean, no. You know, that's
Okay.
fine. I think you should leave it right here. I can still see her. There.
What? Yes.
Flush the toilet!
Hey! Ricky flushed the toilet!
Oh, I think I nailed it. All right, finally.
Don't miss your chance. Oh my gosh. Okay, during this 2-day in-person workshop.
Try that again.
Okay. During this 2-day in.
We're gonna bring you in. Show you how it's done.
Come on in. We'll play a little music. Dim the lights a bit.
Or to kind of guide that shoot. Then,
Sorry.
that's all good.
So Jen, why don't you go into a little bit about...
So day 1 is girl.
Okay.
Plant move. And the photo. God, that's so hard.
That's a
isn't
lot.
it? It's
You
a
got
lot.
a hard one.
All right. $1 million.
1 million for trillion.
I just brought it back to Austin Powers.
I went there with you, girl.
Wow.